Whitney here, GM and daughter with Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, Inc., to talk about just a few things that separate the best home services contractors from the rest. Whether you need a plumber or a heating and air conditioning contractor or an electrician, etc., there are key things to consider when choosing someone to perform the work you need done. First, make sure that you are choosing a reliable and reputable service provider. Are they licensed to do the work, bonded, and insured? When dealing with what is likely your most valuable asset, you don't want just anyone to work on your home. Second, is the company well established and reputable? Will the company be around in 25 years in order to honor their warranties? Will you be able to actually reach them later if you have a problem? Or will they hide behind voicemail and email? Make sure you choose a company you can trust. Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, Inc. was proudly founded over 20 years ago here in Knoxville by my father, Tom Cambron, who taught me everything I know about plumbing and brought me up to take over the business. It is our intent to remain a part of the greater Knoxville community for many, many years to come. And it is our vision to be the best plumbing, heating, and cooling company in greater Knoxville. Third, what kind of people is the service provider sending to your home? To ensure your personal safety, as well as that of your home, we not only drug screen and check the backgrounds of any applicants we consider to hire, but we take your peace of mind a step further. We will let you know the name of the technician being dispatched to your home with an accurate estimated time of arrival. And we even text you a photo of the technician so you know exactly whom to expect at your door. What about communication skills? Has the home services company hired skilled and friendly technicians? At Pipe Wrench, we believe service is more than just fixing the problem at hand. We believe in explaining all options available to our customers in layman's terms, as well as educating homeowners about their plumbing and HVAC systems. Being a good partner in taking care of your home or office, plumbing and mechanical systems requires not only technical skill, but also the ability to articulate clearly what the diagnosis is, how we will fix the issue, and how to prevent the issue from happening again. Our goal is to get you back to living comfortably as quickly and easily as possible. Pipe Wrench, as a home services contractor, has been voted the Greater Knoxville area's best plumber year after year, as well as one of Greater Knoxville's favorite heating and cooling companies. Our goal is to be your trusted home services company for life. If your plumbing, heating, or air conditioning needs serviced, repaired, or replaced, and you're located in the Knoxville, Maryville, Oak Ridge, or Lenoir City areas, we're the ones to trust. Call 865-583-3957, or you can book online at pipewrench.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive other useful homeowner tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day.